A very good evening to one and all. As we have studied in our earlier videos, what is regular expressions, what are meta characters, and usage of meta characters in our programs, and using those meta characters in our program, we understood the functionality of each of them. In today's video, again we are going to study the usage of match, search, find all, split functions on string or on file. As we can see, the array package provides multiple methods to perform queries on an input string. For example, match, search, find all, split, sub, and compile are various methods provided by array package. We will study these methods one by one in detail with programming example. Match. This method finds match if it occurs at start of the string. What it means? We need to use match function to search a pattern which will start in a string with the past pattern. Even though pattern is present in a string, but the place of that particular pattern is not at the beginning, it will not match with that particular pattern, because it clearly states that it will return true or extract pattern if and only if that particular string starts with the pattern. Syntax of match function is array.match pattern comma string. The first argument is pattern, that is nothing but a word or substring which we want to search in a given string. Second parameter is string. As shown in the below example, first I will import array package. After that, I am calling match function by passing pattern as a SDMIT and string as a SDMIT usere beltangdi. In this example, our string SDMIT usere beltangdi, the starting word of our string is SDMIT and the pattern which we are interested to search is also SDMIT. Hence, it will match the pattern and return that pattern in an output console. If you see below example, we are calling array.match and passing pattern as usere and string as SDMIT usere beltangdi. And in an output, if you see, it is stating attribute error. Even though usere is part of a given string, it is not at the beginning. As we have stated, the match is search only at the beginning of the word. If it is not part of beginning of the string, it will return false or it will not extract that pattern. Here, even though usere is part of our string, the location of usere is not at the beginning. Hence, in an output, it is stating attribute error. Search. This method is similar to match, but it doesn't restrict to find matches at the beginning of the string only. What it means? Search function allows us to search a given pattern in a given string. If it finds the pattern in a string irrespective of the position, it will extract that pattern. In an example, say like array.match, same example we pass pattern as a usere and string as a SDMIT usere beltangdi. We are extracting usere because, as we have stated, our search function can extract usere irrespective of its position. it will search only for the existence of that particular pattern. If pattern is present, it will return that pattern. So hence in an output we can see USRE. Here typo mistake is there. Actually we call again same method match, but match can be replaced by search. It should be search, not match. If it is match, output will be attribute error. So here it is typo mistake. While reading, consider that as a search function. And again, if you see next example, import array, I am assuming that bio.txt is part of my current directory and I am opening that file for the processing purpose using using built-in API open. And I am reading line by line the content of bio.txt using for loop, and after that I am applying rstrip built-in function on red line to remove a special character, that is /n, and after that in that particular line I am searching he keyword. If that particular line is having he irrespective of the position, it will print in an output that particular lines. Or this program is implemented to extract all the lines from a given file which are having a pattern he. Similarly, if you observe next program, here again I am opening sample.txt file and again I am performing a line by line read using for loop. After that I am applying rstrip function on a red line to remove new line character, that is /n. After that I am applying search method, because if you observe here, even though I am applying search, again I am restricting the search of a pattern by applying meta character on this. If you clearly observe, before from I am applying cap. Cap indicates that the search pattern should be at the beginning of the line. So this example indicates that we are going to extract all the lines which are part of sample.txt and the line which begins with word from : or we can say that the above program open sample.txt file and read lines one by one, and then it prints only those lines which starts with the word from : and it will skip remaining lines. Again, if you see next example, we are opening sample.txt and we are assuming same thing again. It is part of our current directory. It is giving read permission by default to a user. User is also having read permission. After that we are reading line by line, and again by applying rstrip function on that we are removing special character, that is /n. And then if you observe, I am calling search function and I am restricting search, stating that the beginning of the word should be from : after that it can have any number of characters, because here if you observe we are stating dot plus. Dot plus indicates that dot is any character plus meta character says that minimum one character should present or any number of characters should present before it ends with symbol. Even after it may have content, but minimum search is the line should starts with from : after that it can have any number of characters and minimum one character should be present. After that it should have symbol. it will extract only such lines. Or in another way we can say that it will print all the lines which starts with word from colon followed by one or more number of character or characters, then symbol at the rate, and it will skip all the remaining lines. Find all. If we want to extract data from a string in Python, we can use find all method to extract all the substring which match a regular expression. It has no constraints of searching from start or end the way we are having constraint in match. It can work like ray.search and ray.match both. If you observe, again find all function is taking two parameters. First one is pattern and another one is string. And in below example, if you see, we are importing ray library, then we are initializing a line, a message from CSEV at the rate umich.edu to CWEN at the rate IUPUI.edu about meeting at 2 p.m. This content is initialized to the variable s. After that we are calling find all function, and if you observe slash capital S is used to extract non-white space characters, and we are applying plus symbol. Minimum one character should present before at the rate symbol, and after at the rate symbol again minimum one character should present in a search, or it will extract only those words which starts with characters and followed by at the rate symbol. Again it should end with minimum one or more characters. If you look our input, we will come to know that there are two possible matches. They are CSEV at the rate umich.edu and CWEN at the rate IUPUI.edu. Because these two words are matching with our pattern slash capital S plus at the rate symbol slash capital S plus, because slash capital S plus matches one or more number of characters, hence it matches CSEV followed by at the rate symbol again one or more characters, that is umich.edu. Similarly to the CWEN at the rate IUPUI.edu. Next, here we are again opening sample.txt and we are assuming that it is part of our current directory, applying rstrip function on line to remove new line character. Again we are finding slash s plus at the rate symbol slash s plus. It is similar to our previous example. In our previous example, this pattern is applied on only one line, whereas the same pattern is applied on all the lines which are present in sample.txt. If there is any match occurs, then automatically length of the x will be greater than 0 and it will print all the patterns which satisfy our search pattern slash s plus at the rate slash s plus. Or we can say that this program select words which starts with one or more characters followed by at the rate symbol, and also it should end with one or more characters. If word or words selected means, as I have stated, length of such word or words is always greater than 0. Hence in an output we can see all the word or words and also the selected word should not contain white space characters. Our next programming example, again we are reading sample.txt line by line and applied rstrip function to remove new line character, then find all, and here if you observe, the beginning character of our pattern should have either small letter or capital letter or digit. If it is other than any of these, it will not match. And also we are saying /s plus, that is nothing but one or more characters, and that character or character should be part of lowercase or uppercase, or it should be digit followed by @ symbol, and it should end with only character in the range small letter or A to Z or capital A to Z. Or we can say that it will search for lines that have @ sign between only characters, or we can say the character must be a letter or number at the beginning and it should not have white space, and the characters which ends with or followed by @ symbol should contain only letter, not number. Here again we are opening sample.txt. Using for loop we are reading line by line and applied rstrip function to remove new line character, and after that I am calling find all, and passed parameter indicates that the line should start with capital X followed by 0 or any number of characters other than white space, colon, any digit or any number of digit. Here we are using plus, minimum one digit should be there, or it should have more than one digit also, and that particular number can have dot symbol also, because if you observe in square bracket we are saying 0 to 9 and also dot and then plus operator. It may have only one dot or multiple dots, or it may have only one digit or multiple digits. Search for lines that starts with X, that is capital X, followed by any non-white space character or characters, because we are saying star 0 or more characters, followed by colon, and any number. The number can include even decimal value. Import array and open sample.txt. Again we opened sample.txt file, read line by line, applied rstrip function to remove new line character, and in this if you observe we are stating that a particular line should start with deletes colon. It may have any character or no characters, followed by reverse equal to, then followed by, as we have stated, numbers and digit, numbers or a sequence of digits. That particular number may have dot. Last example, here if you observe we are reading sample.txt, we read line, after that by applying rstrip function we removed new line character, and here we are restricting our selection lines, stating that a line should start with from followed by any number of character, or it may not have character, because we are saying dot star, that indicates 0 or any number of characters, followed by 2-digit number, because here we are using 2 square brackets separately with range 0 to 9, 0 to 9, means here values are restricted between 00 to 99 followed by colon. So the above program is written to search for lines that start with from and a 0 or more characters followed by a 2-digit number between 00 and 99 followed by colon. As we have stated, if we use backslash along with meta characters, it will nullify the special meaning associated with meta character. In below example, we are showing the usage of backslash operator to nullify the special meaning associated with meta character. In this example, we have initialized string. We just received $10.00 for cookies to the variable or to the string x. We are applying find all and our intention is to search dollar symbol as it is, but we know that dollar symbol is having a special meaning that indicates end with. But here my intention is not to take special meaning associated with dollar. Instead of that, I want to search dollar as a plain character. To do so, I applied backslash character before dollar. By doing so, it will nullify the special meaning associated with meta character dollar and it will search dollar symbol as it is in a given string. After that, I am saying it should followed by minimum one number or any number of digits, because 0 to 9 dot plus, and that particular number can also have dot, as in square bracket we have mentioned both range 0 to 9 along with dot character. So if you observe this sequence in our string, it will match $10.00. Hence in an output we can see $10.00. This particular pattern is used to search for dollar followed by one or more numbers or digits, we can say, rather than number, more number rather than saying number, we can say one or more digits, and that particular as a whole number it may include dot symbol too. Hence it will matches $10.00 in an output, same is shown. So these are the special regular expressions and along with the meaning we have explained. If you observe in first regular expression, we have specified either capital P or small p in square bracket. It indicates that either capital P or small p can match with rest of the string which is specified outside square bracket. That is nothing but it will match either Python with capital P as a starting letter or small p as a starting letter. Similarly, by writing RUB in square bracket Y or E, it may match to Ruby or it may match to Ruby. 0 to 9 match any digit, or equivalently we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a square bracket. Similarly, lower case letters, if our intention is to match, we can say in square bracket A to Z. If our intention is to match either lower case or upper case or any digit, then we can say in square bracket A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. Next one, cap AEIOU. This says that match anything other than a lowercase vowel. Here cap inside square bracket is giving separate meaning. Here cap indicates that other than whatever we have mentioned in square bracket should match. If we write same cap symbol outside square bracket, it gives meaning like beginning with that particular character or string. In this example, we are using cap symbol inside square bracket, hence it says that other than whatever we have mentioned. In our current example, we have mentioned lowercase oval, hence it will match anything other than lowercase ovals. Ruby question mark, so it indicates that Y is optional. Question mark indicates it may or it may not. Whereas Ruby star, it may match to RUB, that's it, or it may match Ruby, or it may match any number of Y ends with RUB. Similarly, Ruby plus a match RUB plus one or more number of Y, that is nothing but it will match to only Ruby, or Ruby any number followed by any number of Y. Whereas in previous case, when we say Ruby star, it may match only RUB, because Y star indicates Y may occur or it may not occur. Y may have, the occurrences of Y may be 0 or any number of times Y may repeat. Similarly, slash D in flower bracket, if we say 3, as we have studied in our earlier video, whatever count we mention in flower bracket, it will repeat exactly those many times. We have also studied that small d indicates matching digit. Here our intention is to match exactly 3 digits. Next one, slash D flower bracket 3 comma match or match 3 or more digits, because we have not specified second range. Next example, slash D 3 comma 5, the range is 3 to 5, minimum 3, maximum 5 digit, hence it match 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits string. All these regular expressions are already covered in our earlier programming examples. You can see same explanation associated with these regular expressions. I hope you have understood regular expressions, how we can use meta characters to extract the particular pattern which we want with the help of find all function. I hope you have also understood the functionality of match, search, and also I hope you understood the difference between match and search functions. Thank you. Thanks for watching video.